Hi everyone, my name is Mac Graham. Today I'm speaking to you on behalf of all 5 of the Rotary Clubs of Kitchener-Waterloo. And I'm going to show you today how easy it is to get your tickets for the Catch the Ace KW lottery. Let's jump right in, shall we? So what we have to do is first we open a browser. Any browser will do, but I'm going to use Chrome. I also want to make it clear that if you want to, I'm doing this on my laptop today, but if you prefer, you can do this on your smartphone or your tablet. The next thing you do is you go into your address bar and type in CatchtheAceKW.ca. CatchtheAceKW.ca, click enter, and you'll immediately be taken to the site. And you'll see right there that our weekly draw right now is worth $57, and our progressive jackpot has grown to almost $5,000, 400,926. We do our draw every Thursday morning, but you have to purchase your tickets by Wednesday at midnight. And you can see on this screen here that it's still 5 days and 8 hours away before our draw. So I'm certain by the time we get to our draw, we're going to be near about $500 here in the 50-50, and the progressive will be well over $5,000. The next thing I do is I scroll down and I have to pick a card, any card that hasn't been taken already. I personally am partial to the number 6, so I'm going to select 6. Then I pick the number of tickets I want to purchase. I can either buy 3 for 5, 10 for 10, or the best value is 60 for 20. And I'm going to buy 60 for 20. And the next thing I do is click Buy Now. I'm immediately taken to the next page, which asks me for all my personal information. I have this auto-populated, and I put it in here. I click I agree and continue. The system then asks me for my credit card information. I enter my credit card information into the system. I click Submit Order, and just like that, it's that simple. I'm done. My tickets have been purchased. Within the next few minutes, I'm going to get an email into my inbox with all of my ticket numbers as well as my proof of purchase. It's really that simple. And as I mentioned before, you have to have your tickets purchased by 12 o'clock midnight on Wednesday. So hurry on over and log onto your computer to CatchtheAceKW.ca and get your tickets now. This has been Mac Graham on behalf of the Rotary Clubs of Kitchener-Waterloo.